Hi my Color Pops, and welcome back to Color's Destiny. So as you can see, I did receive a package today. I received my unit from LuvMe Hair. It did come in this little purple bag, and I use all of my bags that I receive my wigs in for storage. They're great for storing, guys, because it's breathable. So what I ordered was a 360 unit in 14 inches deep wave. Now let me take a quick minute to talk about the lace on this wig. The lace was perfect. I don't think I have to tint it. I will not be tinting it. It's soft. It is not rough. It is perfect. Now this is a 14-inch unit. It's 150% density, and it did come in a natural black color. It does come with 4 combs inside, so 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. It comes with the elastic band, and it also comes with the adjustable strap in the back. Now, as I mentioned before, the unit is 150% density, but with this company, you do have the option of choosing either 180 or 220, but obviously you'd have to pay a little bit more money, and it is a pre-plucked unit. The knots are pretty noticeable, so I think I will have to bleach the knots. So I did come up with a foolproof way on how to dye your hair without ruining your lace. I mean, I don't like to have to spray the lace and all that. So what I do is I mix the LuvMe powder with the LuvMe developer in 30 volume, and I lift the hair. And when I say this hair lifted effortlessly, understatement. So what I do then is I just add the watercolor, and that's the color that I got. And as you can see, the rest of it is kind of a rusty red color. It didn't come out the greatest. So what I do now is I'm going in with my L'Oreal High Color highlights in red, and I'm only using 2 boxes. I use that with my 30 volume developer. I put it in this little applicator, and I shake it, and I shake so much that I get a headache, to be quite honest. But this is the way I like to do it, and then I apply it to the hair. I don't like mixing it in a bowl for some reason. It's just a lot messier for me. And as you can see, I just add the dye and I comb it through. I do this in, what is this? I think I did it in like 6 sections. I section off the hair in 6 parts, and then I just went ahead and added the color. So once I've saturated all of the hair with the dye, I go back again just to do a check, and anything that I missed, I go back and I add more dye just so that I have an even color. And then I cover all of my hair with foil paper, and I leave this on for 1 hour. After the hour has passed, I shampoo and deep condition my unit with a protein treatment, and I leave it in rehab for 1 day. If you don't know what rehab is, watch my other video. Okay, so now after the hair has been in rehab for 1 day, I use my Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock. This spray is amazing for colored hair. It makes the shine come right back, and honestly, it smells like heaven. Look at all the bounce, look at all the shine, look at all the movement. So do you guys see what I mean now? If you want a curly unit but you want to color it, always get a curlier unit, so a tighter curl, because once you color the hair, once you process it, the curls are going to drop. This is exactly what I was looking for anyways. The curls came back. The hair is soft. There is absolutely no shedding. I didn't get any shedding in my tub. Girl, this hair is a business. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you will see when I post a new video. So my ColourPops, this is the end result of the unit from LuvMe Hair. I absolutely love this unit. I think I will be ordering from this company again. The lace comes so easy to work with. It is a 360 lace, and it came very easy around the ears. There is no guessing where you have to guess where your ears is. It actually came so that you can actually just snip it right here. What else? Curls, so that you see that when I originally started it was a lot curlier, and I do that on purpose because I always lift my hair before I add the color. When you're lifting the hair, it's going to loosen the curl, so that's why I always get a tighter curl. Now I did go ahead and cut it into a bob, and this is how it looks now. It's soft and bouncy. I've been wearing it for a week. I hardly do anything to it. I literally use a spray bottle like this. I missed it like this, and I'm getting wet. And I'm sorry if the color is off, but I've been having the worst trouble trying to get lighting properly in this room right now. So I am just trying to get this video out. So this is all I do. Water, that's it. Water, that's it. Water, and I use my brush. I brush it out and I'm ready to go. And the curls come back very soft, very bouncy. There's no shedding. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't mat in the back. Nothing at all. Look at this. Hair movement, guys. Hair movement. I suggest LuvMe Hair because the hair is easy to dye. The lace, look at this. Very undetectable, and I did go ahead and tweeze some of my parting space out so that it does look more natural. Yeah, so LuvMe Hair, you get a 2 thumbs up from me. 1 week and no complaints. This is just like the most fluffy curly hair ever. Pretty. Now I did just to add one more thing, I did lift the hair first and then I watercolored the roots, and that's because I don't like to add any color to my too close to the roots so that the lace gets ruined. So I watercolor the roots first, and that's why you see in the video that it had like a sort of a red color, but it didn't come out like this. And I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the true red color, but trust me, it's red. It is red. It's red, guys. And this is what it looks like in the back. Lots of movement. Lots and lots and lots of movement. So go ahead and check out LuvMe Hair. I will leave the link in my description box below. And until next time, love you, stay blessed.